Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate e-girl makeup look, a fun, youthful and trendy aesthetic that's huge on TikTok and Instagram. Think soft pastels, bold blush and the perfect winged liner. Plus, I'll be reviewing some must-have products to help you achieve this look effortlessly. Let's get started. First up, we need a lightweight foundation or BB cream for a natural, breathable finish. I love using lightweight foundation BB cream name because it's hydrating, buildable, and gives that skin-like finish we all crave. Don't forget to add freckles. If you don't have natural freckles, no worries. Use a freckle pen, brown eyeliner, or brow pencil to create a cute, sun-kissed effect. Freckle pen name is my go-to for realistic, long-lasting freckles. Next, let's move on to the eyes. For that dreamy e-girl look, use soft pastel shades like pink, lilac, or pastel blue on your eyelids. Blend well and add a shimmer shade on the inner corners to brighten up those eyes. I'm obsessed with pastel eyeshadow palette name. The shadows are highly pigmented and have such a soft texture. Now it's time for that signature e-girl blush. Apply a lot of pink or peach blush across the cheeks and nose for that bold, flushed look. You can use a cream blush for a dewy finish or a powder blush for longer wear. Best cream blush name blends seamlessly and gives a fresh, natural glow, while best powder blush name is highly pigmented and long-lasting. On to the iconic winged eyeliner. Whether you prefer liquid, gel, or pencil, create a sharp wing or a soft, diffused liner look. For extra cuteness, add small heart or star stamps under the eyes. Smudge-proof liquid eyeliner name is ultra-precise, long-lasting, and jet black, perfect for this look. And eyeliner stamp name makes those tiny hearts and stars a breeze. Let's finish up with the lips. For a doll-like effect, use a glossy lip tint or a sheer lip gloss. I love best glossy lip tint name because it's non-sticky, long-wearing, and hydrating. If you're in the mood for an ombre effect, blend a darker shade in the center with a lighter shade on the edges. Best ombre lipstick duo name has perfectly paired shades for an effortless gradient. And that's how you achieve the perfect e-girl makeup look. It's bold, playful, and super trendy. Would you wear this look? Let me know in the comments and tell me your favorite go-to eyeliner or blush. Oh, and a bonus tip. Add small hair clips, space buns, or colorful hair strands to complete the full e-girl aesthetic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!